Okay, so today what I want to do is I want to try making a bot for Slack. I've done a tiny bit of research into how to do this, but look, I'm just going to fumble my way through it like every other project I work on. The bot's not going to do anything special. It's just going to, I don't know, send messages somewhere. Something really basic. Maybe we'll send messages and then delete them. Something like that. All right. So I have done a tiny bit of research, but I can't remember how I got to that page where you can start making a bot. Slack bot. I'll start with legacy. It'll probably take me there. Slack apps. Here we go. Go to your apps. Brilliant. Create an app. Here we go. Okay, from scratch, we're just going to call this my app. It'll be in my workspace. All right, very good. Yep, got it. All was good. The other thing we're going to do is turn on socket mode. So we'll do that. Token name, talk. Sounds good. Scopes to be accessed by this token. Yeah, that looks good. What other ones do we have? I don't think we need this. This is fine. And this will disappear by the time this video is up. Okay. Event subscriptions, we want this as well. Turn that on. Behalf of users. And what we're going to do, okay, so we're going to allow reading channels. We want to know when a message was sent to a channel. So that's what we're looking for. Direct message channel. Can we not get that? A message was posted to a channel. Brilliant. So we'll take that. And we'll also take the one for DMs. So we'll take IM read. Yeah, this one, message IM. Okay. Looks good. All right. And we'll save that. So all we've done here so far. So the reason that we're going to use socket mode is because it allows you to keep a WebSocket open and receive events from Slack. The alternative, I believe, is to set up a HTTP endpoint that Slack will send updates to. All right, so you need to have an endpoint that you give Slack and it will post you updates. Whereas with the WebSocket, you can just poll on the socket and get updates from Slack. So that's why we're using socket mode. That's heaps better. That sounds amazing. We're actually also going to enable slash commands. Oh, we can't do that yet. Okay, whatever. Requires a bot user. Makes sense. The other thing we enabled is event subscriptions, which is, well, I mean, it says here, to be notified of events in Slack. For example, when a user adds a reaction or creates a file. We subscribe to these ones. A message was posted to a channel. Slack will tell us over the WebSocket what that message was, amongst some other things, I guess. Yeah, all this stuff. And it'll tell us when a message was posted in a direct message channel. Okay. The other thing we need to do is we need to give permissions to... Is this what I'm looking for? No, permissions. Here we go. We need to give permissions to... Oh, it already does it automatically. Okay, so we've given ourselves permission to see the history of a channel and to see the history of an instant message. There's a bunch more here. We will want to see not just messages in the channel, but we'll actually want to be able to write to them as well. So we'll add channels write. And I think for the same reason, we'll need IAM_write. Take IAM_write. So we'll be able to see the history of channels and IAMs and write to them. And I think we might also want channels read. View basic information about public channels. Yeah, and we'll take IAM_write. IAM_read, rather. View basic information about users' direct messages. Yeah. So we'll take these. These are the permissions we're going to have. Specifically, this is a user token scope. So this is stuff that is done on behalf of a user rather than the bot itself doing stuff. Well, I mean, the bot still does stuff, obviously, but rather than the bot user doing it for itself, the bot user is doing it on behalf of another user. All right. So we'll get our bot to, I don't know, post messages as if it was us or something like that. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's start with this. We'll see how we can go from here. Do I already have a token? App level token? I do. Brilliant. Okay, so let's start with that. What we're going to do is we're going to do this in Go because it seems like the least of the pain. I don't really want to use Python. I don't really want to use JavaScript. So we're using Go. I don't know, bot. That'll do. And it's a version, right? 0.1, looks good. And what we're going to do is we're going to require, I think it's github.com/slack/go/slack, I think. And then we'll edit bot.go, package main, and we will include, or is it import? Import. And we'll just start with format. And we'll go func main format.println hello world. Ain't that lovely? Okay. Okay, it doesn't like that. Oh, and it's a version. Maybe? I don't know. I'm making it up as I go. This one doesn't need a version. Ah, awesome. I don't know if that did it. Oh, it puts it somewhere random, right? Like, puts it in here? Yes, I do not like that. Apparently I've encountered this problem before. XDG. I can't remember if this is part of the spec or not. Binder? Is it? No. So we'll just set this manually. So this will be home local bin and then go mod path maybe? Go mod cache. Okay. And then we will go get. And can we get rid of that? Go run. Okay. And the Go directory is gone. That's good to see. Okay, it's looking good. Look, whoop. I don't know what I did there. Give me that. Okay, so we've got a hello world. That's nice. And we will delete that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab this and right, we need a token, a bot token, I think. So let's go Slack O. And we'll, whoop. Yep, we'll go here. Example. Okay. Your token, yes, but the thing is it doesn't want the app token, it wants a bot token, I think. So if we go documentation, types, it's under client, new, here we go. Okay, that's useless to me. Great documentation, all right. Examples, no. No. Socket mode usage. Okay, that's the app token. Right, and then it wants the bot token. Yeah, so it wants the bot token, so I need to get one of those. Is this where I get a bot token? Yeah, that's allowed. That doesn't look like a bot token, if I do say so. XOXB? No. Slack tokens. User token strings begin with XOXP. Okay, well, maybe a user token will work. I don't know. It might. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that and do that. Cool. Okay. And there should be an API test. Like a function you can call just to do a test to see if things work. Can I, oh, test. Like auth test, I guess. Client auth test, I don't know, that looks good. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we'll go if auth error equals client auth test. Nil format print line. Yay, we are authenticated. And what is the auth test response? Let's just print user ID. Okay, else format.println boo, we are locked out. Sad face. Nope. Keep missing the key. And we'll go error. Is it error? I think. It's been a while since I've written go. Go get bot. Sure. Okay.